boys decided to go for a little Mustang photo shoot tonight. So we're in the parking garage downtown, and we're gonna get a little photo shoot in, get some reels in. This kid. But we're gonna go do a little photo shoot downtown. And then I don't know if we're going to Mexico. You know, this little 3V. Yo, this kid is wild. This little 3V ain't messing with no 5.0s tonight. So they can go to Mexico. I'll be cameraman, but I'm gonna be chilling for the night. I just want me some pictures, make some reels, because the one I posted today went fucking crazy, and it got like 20,000 views and all that. And I hadn't posted in so long, so I was surprised it did that well. But yeah, heading downtown right now, so we'll be there in a few minutes. I'm gonna try and get some rollers for these guys, and then we'll start the photo shoot in a little bit. When we go back, let's take the highway. Okay. All right. Did you get any of them? I didn't get a lot. I got like 1 or 2. So yeah, let's take the highway when we get back. Parking is atrocious. I'm all over the line. There we go. I wanted my fogs to be on. Sheesh. Oh, you got the little pony showing. Must be nice.
It's messed up.
Yeah, what the fuck happened to that?
The plastic's just cracked. I need to get new ones, like 60 bucks.
Your fogs are better than your headlights.
I know.
Your fogs are your headlights.
Yeah. They're supposed to be halo headlights, but ain't wired in.
They're not halos.
They ain't wired in.
Oh.
They're just plugged in. That's what that wire is. I just zip tied it.
I wanted my fogs on. My fogs won't.
Why don't we do like a little stagger thing?
Stagger thing?
Yeah.
Let's take some pics like this and then we'll do stagger.
Yo, I'm just gonna head home from here.
Alright, sounds good.
Alright, Brody.